Saying is someone tired.
Here we go, Peaches! Oh wow, first time Peaches!
Remember that? Here, we'll take your
You don't know about them yet?
Just do it.
I can't see you.
I need paper. Like big time. Right there. You just dumped
I need
them.
more than this. I dumped all over.
Oh my goodness. That's not how she eats it.
Lydia, say, Aunt Becky, I don't eat through my leg. That's why we brought the green beans too. We knew Aunt Becky was going to feed her enough.
I didn't expect it to just pour out like that. Oh my
Say
god.
thanks, Aunt Becky. I like peaches.
I know it's not a steak.
This is the first time. She doesn't know if she likes peaches or not.
You're not going to put this on TV, are you?
Sure.
Give me that. Give me that.
I won't put it on TV, don't worry.
Take one.
Put it on YouTube. Woman awake 45 hours tries to feed me.
Yeah, but the only thing about that is nobody can tell who's who.
Oh, we're now
Becky
saying
was either go to your
Aunt Becky.
Aunt Florence, Becky is feeding Lydia.
Yes, and I'm watering her legs with the peaches. I figured osmosis might work.
Do the camera like I do.
No? I've asked you many times.